So you can see how he's washing it. He's standing still. The machine is moving. Front and back so he can wash the vehicle. There you go, doing a good job washing it. It's almost 6 o'clock. Still daylight, it's good. My timer, this one's slow, like I said. I'm at 11:19 right now. 11 hours, 19 minutes. Alright, he's getting ready to leave. That right there is the dash, the radar detector. There you go. Alright. Put in the code and go for your car wash. Alright. Turn the AC off. Going slowly. Nice and slowly so we get that stuff on the vehicle. Put the wipers on so I can see where I'm going. Go straight in. Nice and slow. Keep going until I hit a bump. Keep going. Right here, put it in park. And let it begin. Nice. Watching the vehicle. It's an $8 one, and it goes once. A $10 one will go twice. That's what I paid. I paid a $10 one, so I'll wash it twice. Get a thorough wash. Get rid of all those bugs. Then another wash. Alright, here we go. Get rid of all that mosquito sap, road tar. I'm standing still, I'm at park. The machine moves, it's moving back and forth. So it's rolling back, it's going to be the last time it's going to wash. And then that's going to light up green for me to proceed forward. And then I'll dry her up and then I'm out of here. Getting ready. There you go. Put it in drive and go right through. Good rinse off.